Hi guys, today we are doing something different. I hope you'll be able to hear me because it's noisy here. As you can see, there's a lot of games that are being played, and the noise of all games combined is the reason why that you probably can't hear me like as you should. But we don't have a mic, so what can we do? We'll try to block the noise when we are doing the editing, but we are doing a laser tag. You can show them. We're doing a laser tag for the first time as well. We'll see what else we will do after. But yeah, man, it's so good. Yeah, the tickets.
Yeah, it's not that expensive, guys. Like 50 bucks is expensive.
50 bucks per person. It's not that expensive, dog. We're gonna be doing bowling as well. Magic bowling. It's gonna be popping. I'm sorry for the noise. It's the casino's fault and not mine. So yeah, man, we're just out to explore today. Like, we're not trying to play. You know what I mean? It's as beautiful as Sunday, so we gotta like make sure that, you know, it continues being beautiful. Continues being a beautiful day. We got Sweezy here, got B. You feel me? Yes, sir. About to pay for magic bowling right now. One time. Go back in again, my sure. So we grew up in the hood. We didn't know this blind stars. So yeah, shit. I gotta whip this niggas. Yo, AT, where your ass at? Woo! You know. Hey, with B, I see you smiling. Why you smiling, bro? So we are moving. Niggas paid. Ah, shit, niggas paid. Johnny confused, not hell. Aboke usamajiteka asekazi ezindaweni baba confusing abazaba bafuna ntoni ba lost ngoku yayibona sport coming from hard times to dope times. It's a miracle. Ay, suka! Yeah. Also Flug sehr süß. Assim. How sweezy. Yo! How sweezy. You can't do like me, man. See ya, P. In 3 hours at least, boy. At least. You have one more chance to prove yourself. No chatting. Better South Africa, like, bruh. We are busy enjoying ourselves, and electricity gone, bruh. Come on, dog. Come on, man. It's your turn, my nigga. I'm gonna take you off my spot. This spot is my spot. You don't belong there, bruh. That's what I did. I'm taking off my spot. I told you. I do play. Go for the kill. You're out. What's up? Check the scoreboard. Number don't lie. I told you I'm leading, Sweezy. I told you I'm leading. We're about to go for a laser tag activity for the first time, bro. We're exploring. We're not here to play, man. We're not here to be miserable and be going through struggles and not go through, you know, the soft side of things. Not soft, actually, the exploring side of things. I switched. I did.
Someone is gonna come and then they're gonna make us wear the body armor, and then we're gonna wear the body armor, and then it's gonna go back.
One time.
They're gonna wear the
Say something to the camera.
Say something.
This is gonna be on YouTube, by the way. Okay.
Same thing. So I know I'm gonna win.
Okay.
We're gonna put on
Okay.
We're gonna put in these things and then they're gonna have a color.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna shoot everyone like pop.
Yes. Okay. Bomba.
It's gonna be a bomb.
Where's the Fanta?
So basically, you look for people and then you shoot them. Look for people. There they go. So I killed 99 lives. And I'm serious fun right now. As you can see. This was fun, but I recommend anyone that hasn't tried it to come and try it. You know, it makes you feel like you are in the movies. It makes you feel like a soldier when you kill someone. It's dope, man. Bro, like I can do it again. I could definitely do it again. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
Laser, what you call it?
Laser tag, bro.
Laser tag. One time. Yo.